Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something special for all you tech lovers out there. From the latest iPhones and MacBooks to sleek watches and must-have accessories, this place has it all. So, if you're in the UAE and looking to upgrade your tech, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in! As we walk through the bustling streets of Dara, Dubai, in the vibrant area of Fridge Al Mirror, you can really feel the energy of the city. This place is a true tech haven, and I'm about to show you why. Just around the corner, you'll find shops stocked with the latest iPhones, from the sleek new models to some of the best deals on previous generations. Whether you're looking for the latest features or simply a great price, this is the spot to check out. Let's take a closer look at what's in store. Now, let's talk about the variety of mobile options available here in Fridge Al Mirror, Dara, Dubai. Whether you're in the market for brand new devices, like new condition phones, or even used ones, you'll find everything here. For those looking to score a great deal, there are bulk stocks available, perfect for resellers or anyone who needs multiple devices. Find active phones that are ready to go right out of the box, or non-active devices. Whether you're after the latest model or a budget-friendly option, the selection here covers every need. Let's dive into some of the best finds. If you're in the business of buying or selling mobiles in bulk, you've come to the right place. We offer a wide range of devices in bulk quantities, from the latest models to budget-friendly options. Whether you're looking for brand new stock or like new, active or non-active devices, we've got you covered. Need a specific quantity? Just contact us, and we'll take care of the rest. We handle everything from the order process to delivery, ensuring you get exactly what you need, right to your doorstep. Now, let's shift our focus to one of Apple's most versatile products, the iPad. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who loves staying connected on the go, there's an iPad for everyone. Here in Dara, Dubai, at Fridge Al Mirror, you'll find a fantastic selection of iPads, from the latest models packed with cutting-edge features to more affordable options that still deliver incredible performance. Whether you need an iPad for work, entertainment, or education, we've got you covered. Plus, if you're looking to buy in bulk, we've got excellent deals on quantities of iPads, perfect for businesses or schools. Don't miss out on these great finds. Stay tuned as we explore the best iPads available right here. Here in Fridge Al Mirror, Dara, Dubai, you'll find a wide range of high-quality mobile repairing tools and equipment. From precision screwdrivers and opening tools to specialized kits for battery replacements, screen repairs, and more, everything you need is right here. Whether you're fixing iPhones, iPads, or any other mobile device, these tools will help you get the job done efficiently and professionally. And if you're looking to buy in bulk, we've got excellent deals on toolkits and equipment for your repair business. Stay tuned as I show you some of the best options available. And remember, if you find this information helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech deals and stock options. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out. And if you have any inquiries, drop a comment below or reach out directly. We're here to help.